Okay, we'll go up this fun little side hit thing. Let's see. What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Philip Wolf, and today we're going to be climbing some stuff and kind of going down some stuff. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, glad to see you back. Alright, here we are at Harris Mountain, Greenville, South Carolina. Figured it'd be a good place to test these tires out here. It's always important to park the car at the bottom of the hill and not the top, even though that means you have to climb right away. These berms have been cleaned up a little bit. Now, it has been like 2 years since I've been here, but there used to be a lot of dirt missing and all those rocks were really lumpy on the berm. So the berm was like almost unusable. Almost at the top. It's just right over here. Little techie downhill. Look at this. So you should hit that. Come straight up the middle. Oh yeah, we could do that. We're gonna hit this little downhill section of Harris Mountain here. I believe the trail is called Sulphur Springs. Kind of nervous. I don't know if I want to hit those little rock things to begin with. All right, I'm dropping. There's the rock section. I don't know. Not this time. I'll hit it next time. Scared me a little bit. Lots of sharp rocks. Oh. Tires are holding up. Oh. I forgot to put my gloves on. It's too late now. Got washed out there. Oh, I lost it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Got lost it there. Shows the high line. Oh, got a little squirrely on that one. We'll go all the way down. My hands are getting a little sweaty now. The last thing I want to do is slip off the bar. Oh yeah, that's way better. So I used to ride this trail way back in the day when I had this really crappy Trek mountain bike that said on it, not for off-road use. So this is way different on an actual capable bike. There's a little bridge right here, if I'm remembering correctly. Oh, there's something crunched there. So this little How you doing? Yeah, these tires do feel good. This is new. Oh, that's cool. They got like rubber boots. This looks fun for like kids to play around in the water. Dang, I need to bring Tatum out here with her little boots. She'd love this. Alright, climbing back up. So I think if I can climb the rest of the way up, you gotta subscribe. That's the rule. Alright? Nah, but for real, if you would like to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It really motivates me. I've been getting just a few subscribers here and there, like every video. And although it may not be a lot, it really does mean a lot to me. I appreciate it if you've already followed. Stick around for more things to come, you know? Oh man, that was cool. Kind of sketchy though. Oh, let's go do that again. Oh, gotta watch out for that tree. Okay. Wrong line choice. There's a little jump thing over here. Bro, is this thing recording? Dude, this thing wasn't even recording. There's a sketchy rock log hit right here that's super awkward to get into, and I thought I was recording. I've rode up to it now 2 times. This will be the 3rd, and I really kind of want to hit it. I piled up some rocks on it, so okay. We'll go up this fun little side hit thing. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. But yeah, there's my little rock pile. And then you gotta dodge this thing on the way and hope your pedal doesn't hit it. And then once you do hit it, you kind of gotta go to the right, because if you go to the left, you're going like in some loose leaves. Let's ride all the way up to the top of the mountain and go down one more time. One more time. That log felt so funny, it's because I have my lockout on the rear shock on. Oh man, rookie mistake. I hope this footage turns out better than my GoPro footage from Canoga. I was experimenting with my chest mount and the GoPro. It was alright, it's just, it sucks if you don't like dial in the angle and it's kind of off. It's really annoying. And then that race started later on that afternoon and there was a storm coming in, so it got a little darker. And apparently in low light, the GoPro really loses a lot of its stabilization abilities. And so like the footage looked super shaky and floppy because the chest mount, and then like blurry because the exposure, you know, it was trying to, it just wasn't good. So I'm hoping this 360 looks really good. See if I can not run this lady over up here. Let's get my feet planted nice and solid. Look at there, dude. I forgot to turn that off again. Yeah. Dang. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, about washed out. Woo. Guess my tires do work. Woo. That was a nice berm. Excuse me. Oh, wore out. Tech trails wear me out. That's when you make mistakes. How you doing? Morning. Excuse me. Oh. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Oh. You're pretty fun. There you go. Tires felt pretty good. First ride of the year. If you're here to the end, I really appreciate it. I hate outros, intros. I don't know what to say. I sound too cheesy. So anyway, we'll see you in the next video. So go ahead and check this one out right here. Peace.